Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you through the process of creating a color pencil sketch of Kamal Hassan, a renowned South Indian actor. This marks my debut in the field of color pencil sketch. To begin, I have already outlined the sketch outer border and will now demonstrate the coloring process. I have utilized the dome color pencil set of 12 for this particular artwork. I hope you find this sketch enjoyable. Don't hesitate to share your thoughts and opinions. Feel free to express your feedback in the comment section below. If you appreciate this art, please consider giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends and family. Your support means a lot. Moreover, if you enjoy my content, I am grateful if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to sharing more creative journey with you in the future. Have a great day.